This video will be looking at an eBay pickup of a mixed lot of British silver historical coinage. As usual, I've opened some of the stuff beforehand just to make it easier to get out and check that it's actually the right package. That'll be both 50% silver coins and sterling ones. A mixture of denominations. So we'll start it off with some nice small oak leaf design, 50% silver, threepenny bit, or 3p. Continue with the 50%, we've got a nice 1 florin design. These were in a scrap and collect style lot, so a lot of them are in lower condition compared to what some people may expect, but I paid at spot price for the entire lot for what the silver value is, which I was pretty happy with because there are some in lovely collector's condition and it's just a bargain. Plus you get some like these, which are very nice older Victorian style ones in sterling silver, which are usually quite expensive even in worn condition. So we got a much bigger one. This is very worn. It's a half crown from 1922. I'll just speed this up a bit. Oh, there's another threepence. Another oak leaf design one from the 30s. There we go. Here's some of the more worn down ones. This is a worn drilled one. As you can just about make out the monarch. This is a pre-Victorian. Sterling silver. It was probably a shilling. But obviously it's harder to tell when they're this worn down. It's one of the reasons why it was in the scrap section of eBay for sale when I purchased it to show. Another really nice condition, 50% silver threepence. Half crown, also quite worn. We'll quickly go for the half crown, slightly better condition. Other quite worn one. The date and the lettering on the edges though, nice and crisp, even if the centre is heavily worn from circulation and possibly collectors handling heavily. Now here's a nice condition. 1 shilling from 1888. It's got heavy toning, it's kind of gone dark from it, tarnishing, and in lovely condition, young head Queen Victoria on the opposite side. Usually very expensive in these conditions. Then you've got a veiled head, older Queen Victoria, from when she was in mourning. You can see the quite nice designs on those early shilling, 1 shilling designs from 1898. There's a few of those here. Let's see if we can find a slightly better condition. There we go, that's got some more of the inner detailing. There we go. You see we get quite a few of those in this lot, but all of them are fairly worn, but for their time period it entirely makes sense. Larger in Victoria. See if we go across, we then have some more worn down pieces, like this 6p piece that's 50% silver. one of the Georges, or a drilled piece from young Queen Victoria. There's also a sixpence. It's a shame about the drill hole because they're in nice condition otherwise for its age. So we get some more oak leaf designs. Another drilled one. A bit of a shame because considering not too bad condition the rest of it for the 1 shilling. Over an Edwards. See, they obviously have a bit of dirt and other things. Now a very worn one with a drill hole as well for 1 shilling, probably Queen Victoria. Yes, a young head Queen Victoria. You can just about see the outline of her portrait head design. The rest is heavily worn. And so you get quite a large lot mixed in. And that's everything in it. So now I'm just going to show what I've organised it into, what the job lot contains. So all of these are 50% silver. So you get 3 different designs of silver threepences. You get the half crowns, the 1 florin, and the sixpence. And then in sterling silver, you get some early 1 shillings. You get early florin, another high quality example of an early shilling, a sixpence with a hole in, and that's what it contained.